this kind of fluid. I'm gonna try to go fast from the start. Let's see. Yes, I do have some kind of slipping steel, so it was not the filter kind of. Come to a complete stop. If anybody knows what the problem is, comment below. Yes, right now I feel some kind of jerking and slipping with transmission. Maybe it's solenoids or I don't know. I don't like this. It's not about the fluid. The fluid is good. It's smooth and everything. See, you heard that? That slipping? Man, something is going on with this. If anybody knows, comment below. I'm gonna try to go fast again. You see that? I don't know what's wrong with that, but usually I don't drive that fast, and I'm like very careful with this vehicle, but I don't know why it's doing that. If anybody knows, comment below. Help me out with this.